Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how we can use the knowledge module on your Odoo account and how the whole process works. So primarily in the moment when you're going to be in Odoo and you're going to have, like, let's say you're going to have in knowledge right here, then you're going to have like the favorites, the workspace help, and I'm going to show you how it actually works. So what you can do is that you can directly under the private or under the workspace, you can create a new article. So I can click here, new article. You can also like move it. So that's how it works. And now what you can do. So this is like kind of similar, but kind of not about like Notion. I don't know about the Notion. So heading, so this would be like process for employees. And what you can do is that you can start writing and you're going to have like various formats like heading free, text, quote, code, a structure like a separator, bulleted list, numbered list, checklist, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, then also like the banner info, the knowledge here that you're going to have, for example, the item Kanban, item cards, item lists, media, navigation. So you can actually see like you got like a lot of stuff here that you can actually use. Now another thing that I want to share with you is that you can like bound item with Kanban, and then I can click here new and I can literally have like a Kanban here. So this is a task and I can have like ongoing, right? So this is something that you can do. Now, of course, what you can do, I can click right here and let's say that I want to add 2 columns. Voila, I got 2 columns. Let's say that I want to add here a heading. I want to add a heading here. And now what I encourage you to do a simple thing like take Claude, right? Let's say something that you have in mind. Claude is amazing for this. And let it literally create for you, like set up that you want to use it for Odoo. That, like for example, you can have it like this, like step by step. And this is something that you can create just by like writing here, let's say the process, and I can write the marks here, and you see that it actually like works. Then also I can add the index here, the item cards. See, so this is kind of like the item cards here. So a lot of things that how you can create it. Definitely use Claude for setting the whole structure for you that you would just like paste, and it's going to save you so much time. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value on what you can actually do. Of course, you're going to find also like the templates here. So let's say a sales playbook, then also account management. So you can literally take the template, paste it in, guys, paste it in Claude, and let it literally just like do the thing for you. Or like you're gonna have HR, FAQ. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.